Got an 18 Honda Civic, nice curb rash, damaged fender liner, couple zip ties going on now. Got a aftermarket filter and a rounded out drain plug. And yeah, that's tight. 72. Not too shabby. Thought it would be worse. Honestly, we'll torque it down with this, because why not? Come here. Come on out. Thank you. Pinch there, bud. Get fucked. Get fucked. Appreciate ya. New washer for you, Jeremiah. Earl's looking not too shabby. That's tight. I felt a little tight, I'm not gonna lie about it. Get you up off that. Thank you. New filter for you. Take a little sample of that, bud. Thread you right up on here. And we're gonna crank you down. Alright. That's broken. Little ratchet flip for you, bud. Nobody freak out. 30 foot-pounds on the drain plug here. Not 72, but just 30. Set you down. Done with chew. Bit of razzmatazz. I feel like I've done this before. Weird deja vu feeling here. A little wipe down with a pig mat, because why not? And that's looking mint. Right about that. And we're just gonna slip this in here nice and gentle like. There she goes. Cappuccinos. She is a race car, boys. Make sure you jangle that nooch up real nice like. And just make sure the oil life is reset, which it is not. So we're going to close the door, press and hold. And we're just gonna keep pressing and holding. And then something's gonna start flashing right about now. We're gonna release and press and hold again. And it's gonna continue to flash until it resets, which is right about now. There we go, bud. Got a tire light on, already checked the tire pressures. Just need to reset her, so nice convenient tire light button right here. Press and hold. And now that's gone. Very nice. A little check for you. What do you got? Oil. Yep. Right in between them markies. Come on. We like that.